Hi everyone, Rob here again. Just want to touch today on just court orders, just to do with the kids' birthdays. My little girl's birthday was last Monday. She turned 3, the little Bubs. In the court orders in paragraph 2, section C, on each of the children's birthdays, the parent who does not have care of the children on the birthday shall spend time from the end of school or 3 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. with the children. You know, on a school day, that you can understand. The kids are tired and they need to, they've got to go home and get ready for school, everything like that. So, that's understandable. But when it's a public holiday, weekends or school holidays, there should be exceptions, for with the contact. Christine Mead never made any exceptions at all. Like basically doesn't matter what day it is, you get 2 hours, and and when you're not the parent that has so-called primary care of your child, majority of the time us parents that don't have, primary care of our children, we're probably missing out on those, that their birthdays don't land on the days that we have them. And if they do, well, that's just an added bonus that we get more time with them. But, it's not about us parents are getting more time with them. It should be that the children should have equal time with the parents, each parent, on their birthday. And especially on, like I say, weekends, public holidays, or school holidays. So, last Monday was a public holiday. So there's no reason why there couldn't have been orders saying that, the child stays with the parent that they're with until, say, 1:30 in the afternoon. It gives them time to, have a little thing for them, spend time together, have a little family thing, and then, and then go with the other parent in the afternoon and maybe, until have an early dinner, have give gifts and everything like that. And so then, it's fair for the child to see mum and dad for their birthday. But the courts, they don't see it like that. And I questioned a lawyer about this, and he just came up with this. Oh, the courts say that, like most parents will have a party on the weekend. Like, you have a party on the weekend for your kids' friends. You still celebrate your child's birthday on their birthday. You don't just go, oh, we'll just wait for the weekend. You still give them, I think every parent out there will give them a certain little family celebration on their actual birthday. So I didn't get that. I had 2 hours. My little girl was very disappointed. I basically, went and grabbed an ice cream and my little boy with me. We went to a park. We played, but that's all we can do. We couldn't really, have a little celebration at home and have dinner or lunch or something like that. So it's pretty disappointing that parents out there, that we have to go, we have to, this is what we're dealt with the family court system. So it's not, it's nothing about the kids. It's like a dictatorship. They dictate to you when you can see your children, even when they're saying that it's in the best interest of the children, which it's clearly not in the best interest of the children. So, I'm just, I feel sorry. It broke my heart that I couldn't, give my little girl on her birthday a decent little bit of a celebration for 5 or 6 hours, and so she can enjoy her presence and everything. Which I ended up doing it on the Thursday when I had her all day, because it give her more time so she could play with her toys and enjoy them. So out there, people out there, I feel for you. And and the thing is, we need to change this system for our precious kids. That's what we really need to do. So I'll keep you updated on certain other things. There is a few other things that I want to just put out there, and other. I'd like to hear from other parents as well. Like what their experiences are, and how what orders they've been dealt with, that are totally unfair, and not so much unfair for them, unfair for the children as well. Unfair for everyone. So and that's what it needs to be. It's got to be a fair system, but it's not fair. It's not fair on dads. It's not fair on mums. It's not fair on the kids, and the kids are the important ones out of the whole lot. So yeah, I've got a few other things, and we'll go through that in another time. So thanks for listening, guys, and I'll see you soon.